Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to all of you, bachcho. We are back on the Creatrix YouTube channel with another job notification. Now, as you might have read in the thumbnail, as you might have read in the video title, this job notification is related to NHAI, which is National Highways Authority of India, and this job notification is specifically for civil engineers. So I know electrical and EC people will be disappointed, but can't help it, right? Because they have released only the vacancies for civil engineers, and this vacancy is through GATE 2021 score. Okay, so let's get started. Let me first start by introducing myself for those of you who are meeting me for the first time. My dear students, my name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, you know all of this about me, beta, but what matters the most for us is that the intent of our team is to provide you as much free content as possible and to enable you to get the top jobs in the industry and go for higher studies from the most premier institutes of the country. Now, with that intent in mind, what do? We provide you free content on YouTube channels as well as through the Unacademy Learning app. Now, once you download the Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store or the App Store, you can absolutely access any of the free initiatives simply by using the code ANKIT-ESE. It's very simple. Now, let's get started with the notification. So NHAI invites application for 41 posts. Okay, there are 41 posts of Deputy Manager Technical, a great position to be in after giving your GATE examination. In level 10 directly of Pay Matrix 7 Central Pay Commission. Okay, that is from 15,600 to 39,100. That is the pay band plus grade pay of 5,400. Now, don't think that this is the enhanced salary. Don't ever think that. In government sector, what they do tell us is the base pay. Base pay includes only the minimum amount of salary above which there are various factors, like they are telling you DA on direct recruitment basis. Okay, there will be dearness allowance, there will be travel allowance and multiple such allowances which will swell up this number further. Now, they are inviting application through the score that the candidates have obtained in GATE 2021 in the discipline of civil engineering. So remember this, my friend, this is for civil engineers, and the one who is watching this video, if you are not a civil engineer, please forward this video to your colleagues so that they can learn from this. Now, here 18 vacancies are in the unreserved category, 6 are in SC, 4 are in ST, 10 are in OBC, 3 are in EWS category. So here we have a total of 41 vacancies, 18 in unreserved, SC 6, ST 4, OBC 10, EWS 3, and a total of 41. Now, out of 41 posts, 2 are reserved for persons with benchmark disability, that is PWBD. 1 vacancy for special learning disability, mental illness, and 1 is reserved for multiple disabilities involving deaf, hard of hearing, and 1 arm, 1 leg, leprosy, dwarfism, acid attack, specific learning disability or mental illness. So they have also explained what all kind of disability will be included under this vacancy. Okay, so unfortunately, if any of you or any person you know has any of this, do recommend them for this job because it can be a life-changing opportunity for them. Okay, it's very unfortunate to be suffering from any of the things that is listed here, but anyhow, life goes on, and whenever any opportunity comes, those guys should be the first people to have a role, to have to have some sort of control over such kind of jobs. Okay, those should be the first people. Okay, Next thing is, here if you see the details of eligibility, age eligibility is not exceeding 30 years. Okay. Educational qualification, degree in civil engineering from a recognized institute. Okay. Now this is direct recruitment on the basis of GATE score. This is a direct recruitment on the basis of GATE score. Now you should have a degree in civil engineering from a recognized college or university, and then the people who are in the final year, this is the most controversial part due to this COVID situation. The people who are in final year semester would render their educationally qualified for the post are also eligible to apply, which would passing of which would render them educationally qualified. That means if you are in the final year and you pass, then you are basically educationally qualified for this vacancy. Okay. But now due to pandemic, your results may get delayed. That is very, very obvious, because everything is getting delayed. How can your results be on time? That is why they have given this grace period, that if your result comes up to 31st December 2021, then also you can apply. The result may not come in the month of June. It may not come in the month of July. So they have given a grace period of almost 5 to 6 months. If your result comes by the end of this year, then also you will be considered qualified for this job. Now, if your result comes after 31st December, even though due to pandemic, your result comes after 31st December, they won't consider you eligible for this job. They have clearly stated that they will consider that the delay is because of you, no matter whose fault is in the delay. That is, they won't be going on a case by case basis. Some people may be delayed because of their own doing, because they might have backlog. Some people may be delayed because the college has not provided any result, but they will consider both in the same category. They won't hear any excuses. So you should get the result by 31st December 21. Okay. Now, if you could not join NHAI due to pending receipt of proof of passing of degree in civil engineering, that is, if you could not join NHAI because you did not have a passing certificate, okay, so they will be what will they say, or any reason, the period will be treated as a delay on the part of candidate, and their seniority upon joining will be regulated strictly in accordance with the Department of Personnel and Training guideline from time to time on the subject. Okay. So if you are delayed, if you are not able to submit the proof of your passing by 31st December 2021, it will be treated as a delay on your part. Okay. It will be treated as a delay on your part. Minimum educational qualification, minimum essential qualification, basically you should have a degree in the civil engineering and your age should not exceed 30 years. Okay. So you will get a community benefit if you belong to a particular caste. If you have a caste certificate, then only you can avail the benefit of this community. Okay. Now OBC should always submit a certificate, OBC non-creamy layer certificate, issued during the year 21 and 2022. So if you have not renewed your OBC NCL certificate, get it renewed. Okay. A candidate will be eligible for EWS reservation in case the candidate meets the criteria issued by central government. That is, central government has specific guidelines how much income can be treated as a EWS category. So you must have documents for that. You must have financial asset declaration, income declaration, and if you satisfy that eligibility criteria set upon by the government of India, you can apply for this job. Okay. Now, if you seek relaxation in SC, ST, OBC, EWS, PWBD, you must make sure that you are entitled to such reservation. That is, you should not be faking to be lying in any of these categories. And you should be in possession of all the requisite certificates in prescribed format. That is, just by saying, nobody is going to believe that you lie in a particular category. You need to have sufficient documentary evidence. Okay, no change in the community status already indicated in online application will be allowed. That is, if you have indicated that you lie in the OBC non-creamy layer and you want to change it to creamy layer, it won't be allowed. So be careful while you are declaring your community, while you are declaring your caste, that it should be correct and you won't be allowed to change it later on. Okay. Now, on the basis of GATE score in 2021 civil engineering on the close date, however, NHAI reserves the right to decide the cutoff. They will decide the cutoff, whatever cutoff they want, but they will be validating on the basis of GATE 2021 scorecard. Okay. And guys, eligibility is the minimum eligibility criteria. Whatever eligibility they have told is the minimum eligibility criteria. If you are more qualified than that, that won't help you to stay further of the other candidates. Okay. That is, your overqualification is not going to entitle you for appointment. Is that clear? Now, in the event of number of application being large, NHAI will adopt shortlisting criteria to restrict the number of candidate for interaction interview. Okay. So guys, if the number of applications are very, very large, they will decide how they want to call people for the interview. They will restrict the number of applications and the criteria will be decided by the selection committee. Okay, you have to apply online through this website nhai.gov.in, and you can check it on About Us, Recruitment, Vacancies, Current, and then click on Deputy Manager. Okay, so note it down how you have to reach the vacancy. Click on this link, go to this link, then click on About Us, Recruitment, Vacancies, Current, and then click on Deputy Manager to reach this portal. Okay, you can read the detailed advertisement there. And if you are satisfied with the information furnished, that is whatever information you have filled, then you will click on the submit button, and the deadline for this is 28 May 2021. Still you have almost 20 days. Okay, you need to have a copy of application acknowledgement in safe custody for producing, submitting to NHAI along with supporting documents. So whenever you submit an application, they will give you an acknowledgement receipt. You need to keep it safe. Okay. So guys, that is all from my side, and if you wish to attend my free live classes to prepare for GATE and other technical examination, then quickly click on this link. You will be redirected to a page where you can watch all my free special classes, and if you go in the upcoming special classes folder, you will be taken to a page where you will find all the classes that are going to be conducted in the future. But whatever I have taken in the past is also available on this page. Other than that, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you get live classes by all the top educators teaching under a single roof on a single platform for civil engineering. We have Jaspal Singh sir, we have Dushyant Meena sir, we have Abhishek Bhartiya sir, Chetan Saxena sir. We have all the top educators on a single platform that provide you practice question, doubt clearing, quizzes. Everything is being conducted by these top educators, and you get access to all the branches, all the batches, even PSU batches, GATE batches, engineering services. Everything is there on Plus. And in case you want to upgrade yourself, you want to fly higher, go with Iconic, where all Plus benefits are there, along with a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will conduct study booster session, provide you test analysis to tell you your strengths and weaknesses, study material, and my dear friend, a dedicated team who will solve your doubts immediately. So if you apply the code Ankit ESE here, you get an immediate 10% discount. And my dear, not only this, you get to study under the personal guidance of mine, that is GATE AIR 1. And for more scholarship, we conduct a scholarship test every Sunday. So this Sunday on 9th of May, it will be conducted at 11 AM. And you can enroll in that test using the code Ankit ESE. Your entire branch syllabus will be asked, but the questions will be very, very basic, which are easy to crack, and the top 3 winners can get 100% scholarship. There is no registration fees for this scholarship test. It is absolutely free of cost. And this is the latest batch for electrical and ECE that we have started, and similar batches are running in mechanical and civil discipline as well. With Ankit ESE, guys, your 1 year fees will become 27 to 25 18 month 34 650, and my dear 2 years 39 600. I would recommend that you go with 2 years so that per month fees is minimum and you can pay in 12 equal installment without having to pay any interest. In Iconic with Ankit ESC, your 1 year fees would become 45 to 25, 2 year will be 66 600. Again, my dear, 2 years plan is more beneficial and don't hesitate to pay in installment. Installments can be taken on debit card as well. This is my Unacademy profile where you can follow me, you can message me, chat with me. In case of any subscription related query, feel free to call 70890 47561. And my Telegram channel where you get all my lecture video notification as well as my lecture notes is this, t.me/gateair1. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share, subscribe to this channel and please hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. And I hope this video helped you. If you are interested in this, do apply. Visit their website. I have told the entire procedure. And for any more queries, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. All the best. Let's crack it.